Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to make your account private on TikTok. Okay, let's start. At first go to your Play Store. And check Update TikTok. My TikTok is already updated. Let's open it. Now click on your profile icon. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Now click on Privacy. If you make your account private on TikTok, okay, now click on Private Account. Okay, by doing this process, you can successful your account private on TikTok. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.